Good afternoon to students. Today we will discuss about the topic on order of permutations. In a previous classes we have discussed about the what we have discussed in yesterday class. Cyclic notation, permutations of cyclics. Okay. So given any permutation 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 2, 3, 1, 5, 4. How to denote cyclic notation? Anyone? Cyclic notation. This is the permutation. Okay. So how to 1, 2, 3. Next 4 and 5. Okay. This is the cyclic notation of permutation alpha. Okay. And what is the length? For suppose this is the cyclic comma. Okay. So what is the length of this cyclic? Is 3. Okay. So what is the length of this cyclic? 2. Okay. So order of permutation is nothing but if a permutation alpha is expressed as a product of disjoint cyclics, then the least common multiple of the length of the disjoint cycle of alpha is the order of permutation. Okay. So in this definition, we know that the alpha is expressed as a product of disjoint cyclics. Okay. So alpha, okay, expressed as a disjoint cyclics. Then the least common multiple. Okay. This is the length, Nana. Okay. What is the length of least common multiple? LCM of 3, 2 ఏమొస్తుంది? Least common multiple is nothing but 6. Okay. For suppose 3, 6 అంటే least common multiple ఏమొస్తుంది మనకి? 6. Okay. So 3, 2 యొక్క least common multiple is nothing but 6. Okay. So in this least common multiple of the length of disjoint circles, we are called as the order of permutation. Okay, clear? So given that any permutation, first we can express it as a cyclic notation of disjoint sets. Then after find out the lengths. Then after least common multiple of the cyclic notation is called as the order of permutation. Okay. So I will give one example. This is the problem. Alpha is equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. Images are 2, 4, 5, 1, 6, 7. Find order of alpha. Okay. First, what we have to do? Write down the disjoint cyclics. So what is the disjoint cyclics? Anyone know that? One is nothing but two. Two is nothing but four. Four is nothing but one. So cyclic is nothing but one, 2, and 4. 1, 2, and 4. Next. 3 is nothing but 5. 5 is nothing but 6. 6 is nothing but 6 image is nothing but 7. 7 is image nothing but 3. Okay. So starting we will 3 and end with 3. Okay. Then cyclic is 3, 5, 6, 7. Okay, now this is the disjoint cyclics. What is the length? What is the length? Alpha is first 1, 2, 4, 3, 5, 6, 7. So what is the length? 3. So what is the length of this cyclic? 4. Okay. So we are finding order of alpha is nothing but LCM of 3 and 4. What is the LCM of 3 and 4? Is nothing but 12. Okay. So order of this alpha is equals to 12. Okay. So any problem we can solve the same method. Next, this is the concept of order of permutations. Next we will discuss about the transposition. Okay. So transposition is nothing but cyclic length is 2. Okay. So cyclic length is 2, then it is called as a transposition. So cyclic length, any cyclic length converted to 2, then it is a transposition. Okay. For example, cyclic length I1, I2 up to so on Ik is a cyclic. Any cyclic we can assume that I1, I2 up to so on Ik is a cyclic of length k. Then how to denote? What is the transportation? The cyclic length is 2. Okay. So cyclic length 2 okay, which is a converted to I1, I2 up to so on Ik cyclic na which is converted to length of 2. So this is the formula. I1 comma I2 comma up to so on Ik is equals to, clearly observe that I1 and Ik. This is the first cycle. Next I1 and then below Ik minus 1. Okay. Next I1. Next what we will get? Next term I1 Ik, I1 comma K minus 1. Next what we will get? K minus 2. K. Next fourth one I1 Ik. I1 Ik minus 1. Next third one I K minus 2. Next one I1 Ik minus 3. అప్ టు సాన్ ఎక్కడి వరకు వస్తుంది నాన్న? I1 I2. Okay. Up to సాన్ I1 I2. Clear? So in this example we can write 3, 5, 6, 7. Okay. This is the cyclic length is 4. We can convert to transposition. That is nothing but cyclic length is 2. How to write? I1 and Ik. This is the I1. This is the Ik. Same వస్తుంది. What we will get? 3 comma 7. Next 3 comma 6. Next 3 comma 5. Okay. This is clear. This is the any cyclic notation we can convert it to transportation. That is nothing but cyclic length is converted to 2. Okay. And second remark, an identity permutation is always expressed as a product of two transpositions. Identity permutation. What is the identity permutation? 1, 2, 3, 4. What we will get images? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So this is called the identity permutation. Okay. So identity permutation always expressed as a product of two transportations. Okay. So any identity permutation we can write as two transportation. Next third one. If alpha is a transposition, then alpha inverse is nothing but inverse of permutations is also a transposition. Okay. This is the remarks about transportations. Next, what is the even permutation and odd permutation? Okay. So a permutation that can be expressed as a product of an even number of transpositions is called an even permutation. What we can, a permutation that can be expressed. Okay. So any permutation, this is the one permutation. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 images, 2, 3, 1, 5, 4. Okay. This is the permutation. Cyclic length is 1, 2, 3 and 4 and 5. Okay. So this is the cyclic length is 2. Okay. So this is the transposition. Next, this is the converted to transposition. How to convert? 1, 2, 3 is equals to 1 and 1 and 2. Okay. So given permutation is nothing but cyclic, disjoint cyclics is 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5. Then again 1, 3, 1, 2 and 4 and 5. Okay. So a product of an even number of transpositions is called an even permutation. This is the even number or odd number. This is the 1, 2, 3. Okay. It is not a even number. So this is permutation is called a odd permutation. Okay. So one more example in even permutation. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 2, 4, 3, 1, 7, 4, 6. Write down the disjoint cyclics. What is the disjoint cyclics? 1, anyone. Are you audible my voice? So tell. This is the permutation. Write down the expressed as disjoint cyclics. What we will get? 1, next term. 2, 4. Next 5, 7, 6. Okay. What we will get? 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. 3 only single term. So we cannot consider. Next, write down the transpositions. What we will get? 1, 1, 4. Next 1, 2. Okay. Next, this is the another cyclic. Write down notation. 5, 5, 6. Okay. So how many numbers are reduced? 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay. 4 is a even number. This permutation is called as a even permutation. Okay. So this permutation is called as a even permutation. Okay. We get odd number of permutation transpositions which is called as a odd permutation. Okay. A permutation that can be expressed as a product of even number of transpositions is called an even permutation. This is the example. Okay. A permutation that can be expressed as a product of an odd number of transpositions is called an odd permutation. Okay. So this is the examples. I give a some more examples and do the homework. Okay, first one, if alpha is equals to 1 2 3 4 5 3 1 2, 5 4, next, this is the even permutation or odd? Checking, check it. Which is a even permutation or odd permutation? Anyone? First, alpha can be expressed as a disjoint cyclics. That is nothing but 1 3, which is a odd permutation. Okay, so this is the today class. First, we know that the in a previous classes we are discussed about the disjoint circles, multiplications of circles. In this class we have discussed about the order of permutation, transpositions, even permutation and odd permutation. This is the unit 2 chapters. Okay, today we will complete the permutation, about permutations. Tomorrow we will discuss about the normal subspaces. Okay, thank you. Bye. Yes, sir.